Hi there, bag makers. My name is Melissa and I'm with Sew Yours. If you're brand new here, I design sewing patterns for bag making, and I also sell all of the supplies to make bags on my website at sewyours.com. And most recently, we have been incorporating quilting supplies as well. We also opened up a fabric store here in Dunnellon, Florida. So if you are in the area, please stop by and take a look at everything that we have to offer. So let's go over what today's video is about, and that is the release of our very first project kit, and this is the Glam and Go project kit. So everything that you see here on this Glam and Go bag is included in the kit, from the fabric, hardware, and stabilizers. So let's go over everything that you're going to receive when you purchase your limited edition Glam and Go project kit. Let's start by going over the exterior. So first up, we have our Girly Glam printed vinyl. This vinyl is only available for purchase by the roll in our Dunnellon, Florida store. So if you love this vinyl, you're going to need to purchase the kit today on our website at sewyours.com. This vinyl has been our #1 selling vinyl in our store since we've opened up the doors. And I had a lot of fun designing this vinyl. I purchased the commercial license to the clip art. I arranged it into a non-directional repeating pattern. Then I went ahead and added a background, and I went with a two-tone horizontal stripe for the background, and it's super fun. I ended up designing my own because I could not find a repeating pattern that was a cosmetic print that I liked. So this one just came out super duper cute, and I think you're gonna love it, just like all of our customers here in Dunnellon do. When you purchase the kit, you are going to receive a half roll of the Girly Glam printed vinyl, which measures 18 inches by 26 inches. Next up, you are going to receive exactly the amount that you are going to need to make the clear window on the front and the back of the Glam and Go bag. This is a 16 gauge clear vinyl, and the measurement is going to change roughly depending on how we cut this from the roll. This particular piece right here is 20 inches by 5 inches, but you may receive two 5-inch by 10-inch pieces. So that's going to vary slightly, but you will receive your clear vinyl. Then you are going to receive a half of a yard of this pink zipper tape, which is #5, and a gunmetal coil, in addition to our 2 perfume bottle zipper pulls that are exclusive to Sew Yours. I had these designed specifically for this bag, and these have been a very big seller as well in our Dunnellon, Florida store. We've also made these zipper pulls available on our website for purchase separately if you'd like to have those, and they are going to be available in nickel, light gold, rose gold, gunmetal, and antique brass finishes. For hardware, we've included 2 1-inch wide rectangle rings, 6 9mm rivets, and a handmade bag tag that you see right here, all in the gunmetal finish. Moving on to the lining, we have used waterproof canvas in gray. So you are going to receive a half roll of the waterproof canvas. This measures 18 inches by 29 inches. You are also going to receive fold over elastic. This is 1 inch wide in gray color, and that is used for the binding in addition to the elastic that we use to hold up the makeup brushes or any cosmetics or anything like that that you want on the back side right here. So you'll receive the gray 1 inch wide fold over elastic. Next up is the boring part, but this is the part that gives the bag structure, and that is our stabilizers. So this is a great opportunity for those of you who have never worked with Decaville Light or Decaville Heavy, because we are going to give you what you need to create this bag. So here we have a piece of Decaville Light, and this is the Pellon Decaville Light 525, and for that you are going to receive a half of a yard, and that measures 18 by 17 inches. And for the base of the bag, you are going to get a little piece of Decaville Heavy right here, and that piece is going to measure 5 inches by 3¼ inches, and you are just going to use that right here on the bottom of the bag to give it a little bit more structure. One other thing I wanted to mention is you might want to pick up a jar of Odie Coat. This is great for your bag linings as it makes it wipeable. So if there's any product transfer, all you have to do is use a damp rag and it'll wipe right off for you. So we do have that on our website as well. We are making the clear vinyl available for purchase in rolls, and these rolls measure 18 by 53 inches, and they are $10.99, and it is the 16 gauge vinyl right here. You can get those zipper pulls now on our website as well, sold separately from the kit. That is everything that is available in the Glam and Go project kit. If you want to purchase your kit, I recommend that you do so now as we have limited kits available for purchase. Please visit our website at sewyours.com. These kits are going to be excellent as gifts, so you may want to pick up a couple of them for any ladies that are in your life that love to wear makeup. This is going to be also very popular with teenagers, so pick up your Glam and Go kit today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments box below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.